Hi guys, it's Sweet2967. How are you doing? Today we're doing an interesting little video that I find happens to me a lot. A lot of days I just feel plain tired, depressed or anxious. I just can't be bothered to cook. We all feel like that from time to time. So what I do is I find that I start cooking, especially lunch, in advance. So what I do is just dead easy. I get a loaf of bread, okay, chop it up, I stick a load of cheese in it or whatever you've got going. And today I'm using red onions that you can, whatever sandwiches that you like, and make it up. Put some pepper on there, whatever. And then what I do simply is that once I've done adding it to your liking, then you just put it in the fridge and it's done. Now sandwiches, as a rule, I find could stay up quite fresh for 3-4 days easily throughout the week. I'll show you what I do anyway when I package them. Okay, now I've made all the sandwiches there, so all I gotta do now is just put them in the fridge. Just like one, should turn there, that one, that one. Put that one in as well. There you go, all done, ready to go. No mess, no hassle, just the one mess and it's done. So, I mean, you can come back, look at all this mess for just one sandwich. So, it's going to save you like a lot of time and a lot of grief. You guys know what I mean. And then you can just get on with your day, not having to think, right, I'm going to have to make something for my lunch or whatever. But it's fast, it's cheap, and it's easier than thinking, right, I can't be bothered to cook, I'm going to go down to McDonald's. This way, it's a lot better for you. And I find that sandwiches as well, that's actually in the fridge, they actually, the flavour blends in the cheese and the onions go in with the bread, so it actually tastes nicer. Anyway, thanks guys. I hope this helped you out. We'll see you next one.